Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to connect PayPal to Wise in 2025. Now it's important to clarify that directly connecting PayPal and Wise in the sense of a seamless direct linkage isn't how these services typically interact. However, you can certainly transfer funds between them by using your Wise account details within PayPal. Here's a breakdown of the process. 1. You have to understand the process. Essentially, you'll be using your Wise account details, like your local bank account details provided by Wise, to withdraw funds from PayPal. It's important to understand that direct linking of the two platforms is not widely supported. Here is a general outline. First, you have to obtain your Wise account details. Then you need to log into your Wise account. Go to the currency balance you want to use, e.g. USD or Euro. Next, find and note your account details, like your account number, routing number, IBAN, etc. Next, you have to add your Wise account details to PayPal. By logging into your PayPal account, go to your wallet, look for options like link a bank account or link a US bank account. Next, enter the Wise account details you obtained earlier. PayPal may require you to verify the bank account. This often involves PayPal sending a small test transaction to your Wise account, and you will need to confirm the amount. Now, if you want to withdraw funds from PayPal to your Wise account, it's possible. Once your Wise account is linked and verified, you can initiate a withdrawal from your PayPal balance. In your PayPal wallet, select Transfer Money or a similar option. Choose your linked Wise account as a destination. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review and confirm the transaction. It's as simple as that. That is how to link your PayPal account to Wise and how to withdraw from your PayPal account to Wise. Next, there are some things you need to consider. Verification. PayPal's verification process is crucial. Be prepared to confirm the test transaction. Fees. Both PayPal and Wise have their own fee structures. Be aware of any fees associated with withdrawals and currency conversions. Account details. Ensure you enter the correct Wise account details in PayPal. Errors can lead to delays or lost funds. Always refer to the Wise help pages as they are the most up-to-date source